Revalidation. If airline allow revalidate ticket, you can do it. All operations with ticket you should do in original PNR. It's not allowed to create new PNR and to associate ticket with new PNR. So, before revalidation, please open PNR. Then, if you want to revalidate all tickets in this PNR, you can do it in this PNR. If you want to do modification with just 1-2 tickets from PNR, you should split passengers from PNR from for example first and who else and third passenger. Let's split it to another PNR. For example, this passenger want to change the day and it's possible to revalidate ticket. So there is new PNR. This PNR is child PNR and another record locator is parent PNR. Before revalidation, you should add new flight segment with new day in this PNR. For example, passenger want to revalidate ticket on the first segment for 22nd of August. 21st of August is in ticket. Let's add new flight segment. 22nd of August. Then you should add new flight segment to PNR and you should put it above original one. So the order of flight segment in PNR for revalidation should be new flight segment above the same original flight segment. So as I want to revalidate the first flight in PNR, I should put the new flight on the first line in PNR above original first flight segment. Entry will be 0 because I want to add a new flight segment. Then line number, it will be the first line in availability display. Then it will be E booking code, 1 seat because we have 1 passenger with seat in PNR, slash line number in PNR. I want to put this flight segment on the first line in PNR. Now we have 2 flights, similar itinerary in PNR, new one and original one. For revalidation, we need HK on new flight segment. Now, to get HK, I should save modification in PNR and reopen it, E and R. But it's not possible to do it right now because we have 2 similar flight segments next to next. So for saving modification, I should add unknown arrival segment between new and original segments. It will be 0, then unknown arrival code slash. I should put it on the second line in PNR between first and second flight segments. Now it's possible to save our modification and enter open. As we have flight segment without ticket, system adds time limit in PNR. Then, how to do revalidation? At first, I should delete unknown arrival segment from PNR because I added just for possibility to save modification, to get HK in new flight segment. For revalidation, at first, delete unknown arrival segment from PNA, it will be X and line number. Then entry for revalidation is 70. 70 for revalidation, then star symbol, and then I should tell system what flight segment is new one. It's the first flight segment. It's possible to revalidate just one flight segment in one entry. So if you want to change two segments, you should add new flight segment for the first segment and then do revalidation, then add return new flight segment and do revalidation on return flight. So 70 is entry for revalidation, then star, then new segment line number. System revalidate our ticket. Then as any operation with ticket, this operation 70 should be end with E or ER entry. Original flight segment is deleted from PNA. A new flight segment remain in PNA. Let's check our ticket. Now we have 22nd of August in this ticket and return day remain 31st of August. Let's revalidate return day. For example, let's revalidate it for 10th of September. I should add new day in PNR. It will be a route from Sochi to Istanbul. Date 10th of September minus airline code. Then I should book the same RBD and I should put this new flight segment on the second line in PNR above original flight segment. So it will be 0, line number is 1, E booking code, how many seats? 1. If you forget to put new flight segment on the correct line in PNR, a system added in the end of list of flight segment. Okay, it's no problem. Just change order of flight segment. Entry will be 0M, M for modification, /2/3. I want to change order of these two segments, second and third. Then we need HK on the new flight segment. Before HK, we should add unknown arrival segment and put it on the third line in PNR to put it in between new and original flight segment. So entry will be 0, then unknown arrival code /number 3. I put this flight segment on the third line in PNR. Then save our modification. Now we have HK on the new flight segment. Then we can do revalidation. How to do it? Delete unknown arrival segment from PNR. Then 70 asterisk number 2. 2 is second line in segment block. It's a number of new flight segment. And when we finish revalidation, system will change in our ticket 31st of August for 10th of September. Let's open ticket, original ticket. You can see ticket number you can see return day. Then let's do revalidation. And don't forget to end this operation with E or ER entry. System delete 31st of August from PNR, 10th of September remain in PNR, and then let's open our ticket. Ticket number remains the same, but 31st of August is changed for 10th of September. So for revalidation, what should you do? Add new flight segment in PNR, put it on the proper line in PNR, then system add this flight segment with HS status. You need HK. To get HK, you should add unknown arrival segment in PNR, put it between new date and original date. For example, put it on the second line in PNR. Then save our modification and get HK on new flight segment. For revalidation, delete IRNK, then do 70 asterisk new flight segment number, line number, and then save modification E or ER. Then you will see that original flight segment is deleted from PNR, new day segment remain in PNR, and date in ticket is changed for new date.